Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Berry's Homestead Farm. In this video, I want to show you how to use aloe vera and rosemary oil for maximum hair growth. I know a lot of people outside here will tell you aloe vera works, use rice water, use onion or turmeric, but they're not telling you the real secret behind their hair growth, and that's what I'm here to share with you. So for you to achieve maximum hair growth, if you ask me, do these products really work? I'll tell you yes. Does rosemary help? I'll say yes. But what's the real secret? Come with me to the end, because at the end of this video, I will be sharing those very important tips on how to maintain hair volume as well as quick growth using aloe vera and rosemary water. Get fresh aloe vera leaves from your garden or from the market and cut them and put them in your cooking pan. Then add water. Like my case, I added hot water. Then boil for at least 15 minutes to ensure all the juices have been extracted into the water. From there, you're going to sieve this water and store it in clean storage bottles. Just remember that it will not go for more than 3 days if you do not refrigerate. So ensure you use it within 3 days or refrigerate it for longer usage. Every time you're doing your hair, you're going to use this water for detangling your hair, especially natural fuzzy hair. It will detangle very easily. When it comes to aloe vera, I also grow aloe vera. Get fresh aloe vera leaves and soak in water for 15 to 20 minutes to remove the green juice. Then after that, wash them and cut them in the manner that you see me doing in this video into smaller pieces. After cutting the aloe vera, we're going to put them in a blender and blend for 3 to 4 minutes until it's very smooth. Then put it, transfer it into a cooking pot where you're gonna boil it for some time before adding to it argan oil. Remember, you can use any other oil that you like or that works for you, coconut or any other. But for me, I added argan oil and continue to boil it for at least 5 minutes. From there, we're going to strain it using a cloth strainer, and then it will be ready for usage. We put it into a clean storage bottle, and remember, I made a lot of it, so I'll as well need to refrigerate it and use it for many weeks. Aloe vera is safe to be used on children's hair, prepared at home just like I did, and it has several benefits. It will definitely promote hair growth by reducing hair loss and increasing blood circulation to your scalp. Aloe vera will also help with itchiness of the scalp and deep condition your hair to reduce dandruff, and then each strand will definitely be stronger than before. Another thing, it will definitely improve your hair thickness and style by adding strength to your roots, and over time it will thicken up. So make sure you are very consistent with your usage of aloe vera for you to be able to see the results. You can use it once to twice per week for visible results in at least 4 weeks of usage. As for rosemary oil, you can always use it when you're detangling hair to avoid hair loss. Use it, spray it into your hair, and once you've detangled the hair, then you can go ahead to use the aloe vera for maximum growth. So just remember, no product is going to work on your hair like magic. Just first of all, understand your hair type and work on a regimen that reduces hair loss. Detangle your hair gently, then get the products that your hair loves. Just remember that you need to be consistent. Consistency is the word, and give yourself time. Once you apply those things, do it over and over again. Give yourself time. It will work out eventually, but let nobody lie to you that if you use this product or the other one, you're going to achieve say 20 inches in 3 months. That's not going to work like that. Just give yourself time and be consistent, and the results will be visible sooner or later. Another thing that you need to remember is to reduce heat treatment on your hair. Reduce the amount of heat you put on your hair, because that is one of the enemies of your hair. And then another thing, if you can, avoid chemical treatments as much as possible. Natural products will always work better. So in the next video, I will be showing you how to use egg and avocado for your natural hair treatment. And these are the products that have always worked for us, and I believe they will work for you too. Hope you hit that subscribe button, because I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Wish you Godspeed in your life. Till next time. Bye.